Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. It is time for our first potato harvest here on the homestead. Now, before we get into that, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and smash that thumbs up button. All right, let's check it out. So we went ahead and set this bed up with potatoes a few months ago, and about 17 feet of length by 4 feet wide is this bed. And we've never harvested potatoes, so I'm gonna learn as we go here and just forking up the area, seeing what we get. I guess that's not what we're after. Well, I guess we're in the right area, so probably not what we're after, so we'll keep looking. Now, according to my research, it is time to harvest these because all these vines have pretty much died back completely, which means they're done with their growth phase. They're not going to grow anymore. They're just in there. Okay, so this sector is empty. Okay, so something went wrong there. Maybe there's some down here. Hey, a potato! Would you look at that? Our first real potato. So it looks okay. I wouldn't really know what I'm looking at anyways, but it's got a decent skin on it. We'll see if there's any more. There we go, potato number 2. A little bit of a funny shape, but don't see any reason why you wouldn't want to keep that.
It's an egg hunt for adults.
It's an Easter egg hunt for grown-ups. Okay, I think I felt one. No, it's just compost.
I see it.
Oh, uh-oh. That was a beautiful one until I gashed it. Hopefully that's not going to ruin it, but some scrapes. Smells like a potato. All right, let's see. How's the best way to do this? I'm going to get this end sector done.
So this bed didn't have hardware wire on it?
Mini one. So yeah, there's one. He's a little guy. So this area got attacked by gophers, so that's probably why there's not many down here. Oh, jackpot.
It's okay to throw them?
I guess. There's a mini-me.
Maybe not really.
Oh, 2 for 1. Looks like someone bit that. Unless that was from the fork.
Yeah.
What kind of potatoes are these?
Russet?
So these are russets.
Maybe not throw them.
Woo! Big one. So what I've been doing is going to the edge with the garden fork and gently prying up and going from the bottom. And look at that. 4 in 1 scoop. Ew, kind of a rotten one. So I've been doing that and then working the soil over so that I pile it up down the way, and that way I'm able to get deeper over here. So we've been doing that and then going back behind by hand and just making sure nothing was missed. And so far it's going pretty good. They've got good skin on them, so they were ready to go, definitely. They'd just been sitting here at least a few weeks, and we've just been watering maybe once a week so they don't totally dry out, but these vines have been died back for a while. Let's see under that. There you go. Nice big one.
And do they like clay soil or do they like soft soil?
No, the potatoes need a really soft, light, fluffy soil to do better. It looks like this one got bit up by a gopher. So we've had some gopher loss, but I don't think it was a huge loss, but we definitely are gonna get all this soil out and then put a hardware cloth before we put anything back in this bed. Yeah, so working from the outside then, what I've been doing is, so work the soil back, and then as you keep going, you move your way towards the center. So soil goes back over here carefully. I'm pretty sure there's nothing in that, but you want to be slower with this, is what I've seen so far. And then just working towards the middle at an angle. So gently going at an angle towards the middle, not straight down to try and poke them, but more so trying to lift them up. I think we're done with this little zone. All right, so we've got that whole bed harvested. Didn't take very long with 2 of us, but 20, 30 minutes max. No, probably 15 to 20 minutes really. And so this is the batch of potatoes here. Now we're gonna go ahead and weigh in and see what our yield is. A very high-tech methodry here. Okay, so let me some. So we got 45 pounds. Take a look again. So I don't know if that's good or bad based on the square footage. Definitely not disappointed in this yield here. We did about 17 by 4 square feet. So what's that? About 68 square feet. Yeah, definitely not disappointed. I think we definitely have a lot of room for improvement. If you take these ones, and if these were bigger, there's a lot of small ones, we'd probably have a lot bigger yield. There's just a number of these little ones, and there was probably a dozen or more even smaller than this that we just threw away. So if we can find out a way to grow them bigger, we'll have to research that for next time. We did get some big ones, but just looking at it, I would say the average size is more like this or this. That's your biggest one. So we're gonna have to learn how to grow them a little bigger. But yeah, not disappointed. Overall, pretty happy with this. And we probably lost, gosh, I'd have to just estimate 20% or so to gophers, because as we got to one side, there was probably maybe 4 by 3 that had like almost nothing. So big lesson here, never rush ahead on a project. Always take your time and do it the right way, and in this case that means hardware cloth cloth on all beds. So yeah, I rushed ahead and paid the price. But overall, this has been a great little project with potatoes. First time ever growing them for us, so we are super stoked and can't wait to test them out. Next we'll have to cure them and put them in storage. So that's it for now. Really thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment.